Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off adaptive brightness option in Samsung Galaxy A55. So, where to look for our adaptive brightness option and how to turn it off. So, when we go to our settings, we are looking for display options menu and our adaptive brightness is here. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and now adaptive brightness is turned off. Of course, as you can see, when the adaptive brightness is turned on, we cannot set our brightness level, so remember about that. If we want to set up our custom brightness, we need to turn off adaptive brightness. So we have to remember about that. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.